Hello friends. A few days ago had promised to talk about what precautions should I take with my pressure washer's gasoline engine or electric motor. Let's go to start. Follow all safety precautions, operating procedures and maintenance listed in your engine operator's manual which came with the pressure cleaner. When engaging your pressure washer's gas engine, please remember the following safety measures. Risk of fire: do not fill the engine with gasoline when the engine is running, hot or near an open flame. Risk of explosion: do not spray flammable liquids. Do not smoke when using your pressure washer. Risk of electrical shock: hazardous voltage can shock, burn or cause death. Ground your pressure washing system before connecting to a power supply. Risk of asphyxiation: use pressure washing equipment only in well-ventilated areas. Do not run power washers in enclosed areas. Exhaust fumes contain poisonous carbon monoxide gas. Breathing exhaust gases can cause serious illness or death. Please. Final recommendation: take these additional precautions. Do not touch or come in contact with hot mufflers, cylinders, cooling fins or hot exhaust gases as this may result in severe burns. Never tamper with governor spring, governor links or other components which may increase the speed, RPMs, of the engine. Do not operate pressure cleaners in the presence of flammable vapors or gases. When servicing pressure cleaning equipment, be sure to properly dispose of any flammable materials. Do not make adjustments to your equipment without first removing the spark plug. When transporting pressure cleaners, the fuel shut-off valve must be in the closed position to prevent fuel from spilling out. A circuit dedicated only to the electric pressure washer is recommended. This circuit should be installed by a licensed electrician and checked to supply adequate voltage under load. If the distance from the panel is too long, the wire size is too small or the voltage is initially too low, this will cause the GFCI or thermal overload to trip. If this happens, consult your pressure washer supplier. Do not use an extension cord. Use only the factory supplied power cord. Well friend, that's all for today. Follow our safety tips. Because Water Cannon always wants the best for you. Bye bye.